Hey guys, welcome to RK Keynotes. It's me Ravi here. In this video, I'm gonna explore a small gaming application using Java Swing. So the game name is called Brick Breaker. Hope everyone have experienced this when in the small age. So over here, again the project name is in mini projects. That is my package as well. And we just want to explore how they have developed. This program is available in the internet, so you can download this. And let's understand how they have used events and what are the things they have, implemented in this. So to understand this, you can simply use java.awt.start, but here we just want to know what are all the super classes they have imported, like border layout, color, font, graphics, rectangle. We gonna have a bricks, an action event, action listener, key event, key listener, and we're gonna use swings, that is J button, J frame, J panel. If it is applet, we simply use applet, and AWT we simply use button frame panel. Okay, so you see this is a class J panel, and our brick breaker class extends J panel, implements. These are all the interfaces. These are the advantages of interfaces we have already seen in the previous videos, where you can implement multiple interfaces at once, but you can't if it is abstract class or a concrete class. So here declared all the required variables, and this is a default constructor, and in the main method it just defined the border and the actions, and adding all these actions into the border, and I mean that frame. And within this paint method, so what do you want to do? We are going to have a rectangular bricks, and so that is what designed here with x and y position, width, height, and we are going to fill that one with some color like red, yeah, over here. And yeah, so and then I'm gonna have a thread, so that is create bricks, so go infinite. So which is because over here we are going to move the, what do you call this, a small line will be there in the bottom. Using keyboard we can move it left and right, and once all the bricks got hit, then it is going to say that you have won. If not, then it is going to say that if you have missed the ball, then it will say that you have lost the game. So that is what, so thread, if there is any exception, we are going to catch it. So these are all the things which I said that we are going to handle some events like key press. We are going to press left and right arrow, and for releasing the same. And this is just, we are overriding the key type method because all these things comes from that interface. And what are the actions performed if you want to restart, and there is going to be a button, and we are going to call all these methods to restart. And initially the variables got initialized here, and this is for creating bricks. So how many bricks and all, brick height, weight, and breadth is mentioned because it is a rectangular brick. So just explore this program, and let's run this and understand this better. I'm gonna run this file. Yeah, this is what, and over here you can move this one, and if you want to increase the size of, yeah, so if you miss it, then it is going to say that you have lost the game. So now I'm going to miss this. You see this? Yeah, you lost the game. So if I do restart, so it will call all the methods again, that is repaint, create bricks, and all these methods. Then again our program will execute. So this is how this brick breaker program looks like. And even there is few exceptions. You just try the program and try to solve those exceptions, catch the exceptions if needed. For example, you can have n number of things. Sometimes there won't be no bricks, but it is used to keep running. I mean, there might be a loop error because we have used infinite loop. So those things are not catched properly in this program. You can first understand the program better and explore this, try to solve all those exceptions. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. And if you have got any queries or comments, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section. And also your comments will motivate me, so that do comment. Thank you and thanks for watching the video.